As you can tell by the thumbnail, the title, and right here, we're getting into a melt your lace like a pro install. I'm so excited. Shout out to Wiggins Hair for sending your girl this beautiful water wave, natural wave texture, you guys. So we're going to get into it. So we're going to push the edges back first with a max holding type of gel. And we're just going to get this out the way so your hairline can look super clean before popping on this bomb HD quality lace. Now, HD quality lace is going to be your best friend. It's going to be the best lace to work with to get a pro-like install at home. It's going to cut down your install time in half. And, you know, we always want to speed that thing up because we got a place to go, people to see. So I like to cut into the lace to work with it. It's going to give a little bit more flexibility. Add that lace tint spray if necessary. I also bleach the knots. I'm going to be using a balm holding spray. This has got to be glue. This is my favorite, but I'm going to bring a OG back in the picture really soon. So be on the lookout for that. 70% alcohol. I'm going to use that to remove all of that extra makeup that we got going on. And even if you don't have makeup, you want to do the same step. You may have some moisturizer on your face and it needs to be a clean slate when installing. Pop that lace on, you guys, and then start working the hair backwards so everything is out of the way, out of your face. But you also want to get that hairspray to get tacky on you before going in with your elastic band. But we're also going to remove the ear tabs. Ear tabs are necessary to be removed if need be because you want it to fit to your liking. You want this wig to be made for you, not your brother, mama, and sister, cousin too. We're going to go in with a little bit more Got2b glue. This is going to be necessary because these ear tabs is going to be the first thing that play in your face. So we need to make sure that it's laying down. Get into that raggedy elastic band. It's been an OG of mine and I won't get rid of it, but I won't show you up close and personal how crazy it looks, so I applied one right on top of that. Your elastic band is going to be that go-to thing that you need to get that wet lace kind of vibe, and that's like the best pro tip that there is out there. Get into the hot comb. The hot comb is going to be your best friend, you guys. Make sure you don't burn yourself, and that's how simple that is. Now, you want to go ahead and use any product to enhance your hair quality. I like to use the ORS foaming mousse with on dry hair, and if I need to, I'm going to spray a little bit of water so I can work the product through the hair so it can enhance that curl pattern a little bit more. And this is also helping you get that wet look. We get it. So we're just going to break the hair up. This is a really good density, you guys. I believe it's like 150. If not 150, it's going to be 200. But all the information will be listed in the description box below. I was called on by one of my friends to come outside real quick, right? And it was like 12 o'clock midnight. And I was like, what the hell do you want me to do with my hair? And guess what? I put on a wig like this. So I'm telling you, it was going to come in handy. So as you can see, I'm just breaking the hair up after taking the elastic band off because that's necessary because it's being held down by all that spray. And a little bit of serum or heat protectant spray is going to do the job to loosen it up a little bit more and also remove that residue from that hairspray if you get that ashy look, because that's not cute. That's not cute. So go ahead and use your favorite pair of shears, scissors, or a razor to go ahead and remove the rest of this lace, and make sure you remove enough of the lace because my vision kind of threw me off when it came to the middle part of my little hairline. Yeah, I should have removed a little bit more because I felt like it was too close down to my forehead, to my eyebrows, but it's okay. These baby hairs is going to kind of like hide that. So disregard that mistake, but just fall in love with me hot combing this hair again so you can see how amazing this hairline is on Wiggins HD lace natural wave units. Like, get into it. Deals are here because it's holiday season, so take advantage. I will link everything that you need to know about this unit in the description box below. I'm telling you, flip my baby hairs. Usually I don't do this, but I was, trying something new. I usually curl them under, and I'm going to use some edge booster. You want to use anything that's going to hold your baby hairs down to give it that natural look. I don't like to do anything too aggressive to the baby hairs, but Don't have your baby hairs looking like this, you guys. Your girl was going a little crazy with the baby hairs. I ended up cutting them a little bit more so they can look more realistic. But this is basically the look, you guys. Get into it. The hair is pretty much air dry, believe it or not. It just looks flawless. Shout out to Wiggins hair for coming through, you guys. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you think about this install, giving, you know, pro-like melt your lace vibes. And I love you. Let me know your thoughts about it. And I'll see you guys in my next one.